Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again. And today is a rainy, dreary day in central Texas. So I thought I'd get a jump on Stock Lock Sunday a couple days early. Put it in my vault and see if I can get one for the books. This is a Lockwood Oval. And here's the bidding on the key. Now, I can't remember if I got this from my good buddy Bronx Lockpicker 60 or my buddy Paul Springett from Australia. Either one, they likely came from Paul, but you know how you want to give credit where credit's due. Nonetheless, we're going to see if we can get into this thing for Stock Lock Sunday. Works nicely. And I'm going to try bottom of the keyway with a medium light wiper wrench. We'll go counterclockwise. I'm going to use the Tron from Sparrows in 25 thousandths. And we'll see if we can get this puppy open. And if anybody knows Trons, I'm looking at the Tron. If anybody knows Lockwoods, they know that these things have Lockwood spools, which are very sharp, tiny little spools, as well as their key pins are all tapered to a degree where oversetting is nearly a given. Sometimes it's a little more forgiving and lets you let down the one you've overset, but that isn't all the time. Alright, now we've definitely got one of them that's doing the hold up. And back at the back, and I just overset it. Come on. There we go. And we got it open. Alright, so let's open it up and I'll show y'all what I was talking about those spools as well as those key pins. What's on the back? Well, let's lock it up so that we don't screw it up. Open it up. I'll show you what's up. Okay. Turn it near 90 degrees so that it's not in that groove. Upright. Give it the old heave ho. Probably would have been better to use a follower that fit not near as tight. Let's try this one. It's a touch smaller. There we go. And this is a 5-pin that could be a 6-pin. And the bottoms are all standards, but they are all Lockwood key pins. And the tolerances here are so sharp. As you can tell, those circles are perfect. Anyhow, also has drill protection if you want to add to it. Top side. You have a spool, and that's what I mean by a tiny, sharp spool. Well, zoom in a touch. See what I mean? By tiny, tiny spools, and they're so sharp. those spools are so tiny that it's almost hard to tell for a quick glance if they are spools or just standard. What I would love to get my hands on would be a Lockwood pin kit with, true Lockwood pins in it. And there's the top. Beautiful machining as well. Yeah, that's one thing I'd fall over if I ever had a chance for. I couldn't even buy one. I can't find one anywhere. Nothing of the sort. And anybody who does have one, treats them so coveted that, and I can't blame them. I probably would too. Alright, and these are the pins. And pick them up here and we'll show you. Okay. There we go. And you see the key pin is tapered, not like a I don't even have one here anywhere. Crap. Oh well. I was gonna show you all a quick set type of key pin, how they're kind of tapered, but as you can see here, that taper is different, and that taper here is overset nightmare. It is perfectly formed, and you can see those tiny little spools, and they cause a hang up to the point where they work better than most. You know how kind of like ASA did with their barrel spools, which I got one of those right here though. And what ASA did, where are we at? There it is. With theirs is they put a barrel into it. The center part of it is thicker again, back out to the outer edge, where Lockwood did a spool all the way through one size. It doesn't have the bulging back in the center. But as you can tell, the lip is near same. Really a really cool pin altogether. The design is superb, for lack of a better term. And having a lock with all of them in it turns a standard lock into damn near a challenge lock. I'll sign off with that. Thank y'all for joining me on this, and y'all have a Stock Lock Sunday. And please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, until we meet again, peace.